Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're just going to be building what we've been doing for the past few videos. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back and do a simple little program that really this is going to be more like a script, right? So it's just going to be a goofy print hello, and that's it. And we're just gonna save it because we don't need to run it. So I just hit Control S, and I want everybody to look real close right here. Everybody look right here. So I'm gonna hit Enter. And see how the asterisk came up? This is what I tell the kids whenever I'm teaching them, that if I can tell that they haven't hit the F5 button, because if they've hit F5 it saves. So I changed the script and this asterisk came up. So I hit Control S, it goes away. So now I'm going to open up my DOS prompt, and we're going to come right here. So hello py, it's a Python file, and I call my command cmd to get my command line, and this matches up. So now I'm going to run hello py, and lo and behold, Python goes, I know what to do here. I'm in this directory. This is a Python file. I'm going to run this through the Python interpreter and run this script, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Prints out hello. So now let's get a little weirder for just a second. We're just going to do a quick video. So now let's look at this hello text file. So if I type hello.txt, pulls it up for us. Pretty cool. But what are we going to do with this? So now why don't we, here's a new word we haven't used, invoke Python, the Python interpreter, and run txt, hello.txt. Check out what it does. So as long as the syntax is valid, and you'll get errors and things, but Python doesn't care. It understands text and spaces, and that's it. That's all it cares about. It's not that picky. So you can work in, if you don't want to have some crazy anything crazy, and you just want to type in Notepad and create your files, it's absolutely fine. And now you know how to go and call and run them and have them do what you need to through your command line, just like this, and invoke the Python interpreter, because we've set up our paths to do all these things. So there we go. Real quick, how to interact more with DOS and run your programs from the command line. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we have these videos every single day. And please leave any comments, questions, or my favorite, any video requests, and I'll get right to them. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.